Howdy folks, thanks for checking out the lesson here for Lonesome Fiddle Blues in the key of D minor. As you saw and heard, I played through the tune just one time there, and I have this kind of intermediate to advanced arrangement, although I think it sits kind of in the intermediate level. And I'm just going to do one variation for the A part and the B part, and this tune goes A, B, A, or half of an A, however you want to think about it. And so I'm going to cover everything note for note here on the lead part, and then I'm going to talk about how to play the rhythm as well. As always, if you want to access the full-length lesson, download the tablature, notation, and multi-speed backing track. Click the link in the description below. Let's dive in. All right, let's check out the first few measures here. Put them up on the screen and break them on down. A lot of eighth notes in a row, of course, here. And really want to watch that pick direction in the right hand there. Down picks on down beats, up picks on up beats. Here's what the first few sound like. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay. Just got the quarter note pickup, in the first measure there, just 3 quarter notes in a row, just open A, 3rd fret, 4th fret, right? Kind of a classic little intro for this tune. And then measure 2, open D, 4th fret A. So that'll be kind of dissonant, right? And then open D, 2, 3, 2, 3, open G. Essentially right up the D minor scale, or kind of a folding scale kind of thing. The next measure, 2-0 pull on the G, and then 2, 3, 2, open, 3 on the D, 2 on the D. Next measure, it's going to go to the C chord, and the melody there will be on the C note. So 3 on the A, then 2, 3, open D, 2-0 pull on the D, 2, 3 on the D. So that measure, ready, go. Next measure, open G, 2 on the G, pull to 0, 3 on the D, 2, open, and then 3/4 slide on the A. And it went on just one note there, but now I've added, just a few hammer-ons and pull-offs in here, or slides, and usually causes a double up or double down on the right hand. And you don't have to put those in there. You can take the hammer-ons and pull-offs out and just pick each note. You can also add in hammer-ons and pull-offs anytime to give it, a little bit more expressiveness. I thought it flowed really nice with where I put the pull-offs and slides in place. Sometimes it makes it not flow as nice if you add too many, or it depends on the speed a lot as well. If I was playing slower, I would put more syncopated pull-offs and hammer-ons in there. But so yeah, there's a lot of room to add and take away the pull-offs, hammer-ons, and slides. So let me play all 4 of those or 5 of those measures for you in context. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Went on just a bit there. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Moving on. And then I would go back to measure 2, so it repeats from measure 9, goes to measure 2, and then the second time you come on down the line and it goes from measure 8 into measure 10, which, this ending is similar, just a couple note different, which allows us to get into the B section, right? So Measure 6, open D, 4th fret on the A, then open D, 2, 3, 2, 3, open G. That's the same as measure 2, so 6 and 2 are exactly the same. And then measure 7, 2, 0, pull on the G, then 2, 3, 2, open, 2, and then right here 1 on the B, so that measure. Measure 8, 1, 3 hammer on the B string, back to 1, quarter note there, so, and then 2 on the G, open, 3 on the D, then 2 on the G, so, and then right here, measure 8 into 9, we're going to pull off into the downbeat, okay? Again, you can pick the note if you want, but I'm going to pull off 4 and 1, okay? 4 and 1, and then back to 3 on the D, 2, 3 on the A, and then open D. And then the pickup to repeat, 3/4 slide on the A. Okay, so those measures 8 and 9. Ready, go. Whoops, I did a 4/5 slide instead of a 3/4 slide. Probably would still work. Again. There it is. Then the second time you come on down the line, again, measure 8 goes to measure 10 for the second ending. Right there, 0, 2 on the low E. And then we get into the G chord and measure 11. Okay, that'll be the B part. Let me play just the A part one time through. One time through, taking the first ending. So here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, there it is. All right, so there's the first part. And again, if you want to access the full-length lesson, download the tabs and the multi-speed backing tracks. I have 3 speeds of, backing tracks. Click the link in the description below and move on to the next section when you're ready.